time for a post-mortem then on the kitchen chairs project. I am really pleased with how that went. My wife is really pleased with the chairs as well. Showing the pictures to a couple of people and they're really impressed as well. Considering that was my first upholstery project, it could not have gone any better. Apart from a few mishaps with running out of staples here and there, everything went really smoothly. In terms of things that went wrong, I don't think there was particularly anything I noticed that went wrong. But if you have noticed something that I've done wrong or you've got any opinions, please put them in the comments. Like and subscribe to the video as well. That really helps me understand what I've done wrong and lets me help it share with others in the future. So yeah, let me know. The only thing maybe I could possibly think of at this point in time is maybe the glue. The glue was quite strong. I was quite impressed with the glue, but what I'm worried about is where I stuck the new layer of fabric to the old layer of fabric. The old layer of fabric was delaminating from the sort of the backing material. And that's why the top layer was flaking off. So just a little bit worried that maybe I've stuck it down and then that will help in the future that delamination process happen a bit more. If that does happen, I'm not too worried because although I like it in that curve of the seat, that seat position, a lot of the other pads have lost that anyway, or it wasn't quite as pronounced when they arrived from new. So the only thing that's really going to happen is that fabric is going to rise up a little bit and it will just look like any of the other chairs that are here. So I'm not too worried if that does happen, but that's the only thing I can really think is going to cause a problem. So other than that, yeah, really pleased with the project. Let me know if I've done anything wrong. Like I say, click like and subscribe. It really helps me out, and I will see you on the next project.